Hello and welcome to JDStone Creations. My name is Johnny and these are my guitars. The D&V and the Illuminator. I want a flying V that sounds and plays like that. Time to build a new one. Let's get doing some chopping. Whee! See what happens. Good. Doesn't feel right doing this. Not in the slightest. Close enough. Well, there's one way of doing it, and there's the manual labour way of doing it. And this is probably only just more accurate. However, it's probably more reliable. The blades come off. There we go. Back on again now. But it's also worth noting, it is the 5th of July, and in the UK, we're having a massive heat wave at the moment. So I'm knackered, and I'm only a fifth of the way through. Excellent. Oh. I think I've sung into my table there. Yes, let's more like it. Third of the way. Cool, just as lined up at the bottom as I am at the top. Jesus Christ. Certainly could have been straighter, but I'm not overly bothered. Of course, the most important bits were in here. I'll drop that. Let's have a quick tidy up and let's just lay this out, how it's going to go together. It's a Concorde. Where's my template? Yep, and that split just ends at the right point. I think that's going to work, that. Bit more. So we now have these pieces cut and planed. They're not absolutely perfect, there's still bits, but the thing is all of this side bit is being shaped anyway, and to be honest, that looks pretty damn flat and straight to me. However, you may notice that there's a big line down the whole thing. The wings of the V, I want them to be the same thickness as this. So, I'm going to cheat. I'm going to come out of my unit and use this big bugger. So I'm happy with that. I think that's just going to go straight through. I'm guessing it's the big green button. Yeah, I didn't want to walk around the machine while it was still spinning there, so there we go. That's a big cut through the whole centre of it. Oh, and I wish I'd worn a dust mask. We're clamped in place. We're ready. Ow! How am I not done yet? That's that one done. Lovely. Can make something good with that. And now this piece is all hunky-dory, correct thickness. Bit more planing. We'll have that bit gone. I'm not tired at all. I'm just putting it on for the camera. There's another one to do yet. Oh. It's more like it. My plane's woken up, it's actually doing it well now. Oh, that's going to be an interesting problem. A piece of wood is now too thin. Stick this under it. Yep. Better. I think that base is done. Hey Robbie. God, that weighs a lot less. $49-ish. 49.5, yes. 49, wow. I think the whole thing is now actually uniformed. God, that G-Wagon sounds good. Oh, but that goes down to 49. That goes down to 49 as well. So this bit curves down a little bit. That's okay, because it's going to curve down anyway, because that's going to be the pointy bit of the V. Excellent. Just got to do exactly the same. To that one now.